trail. S is for sheep, T is for tiger, U is for unicorn, shining brighter. V is for vulture, W is for whale, X is for x-ray fish with a glowing tail. Y is for yak, shaggy and tall. Z is for zebra, striped and small. Now we sang from A to Z, silly animals 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and shout with me. ABC party!